Alright, for this tutorial we're going to look at adding text to our video. Now we can add text to our introduction or our conclusion, or we can add it anywhere on the video in between. I'm going to show you just a couple of examples here and how to get some of the settings correct for yourself. One of the things we want to do is make sure we click on the T in the middle right of our interface. And if you mouse over it, it says show or hide the title browser. And you can see down below these are our options. Now I really recommend that you try different options out. It's kind of hard to guess what they're going to do. You kind of have to try them and see what's going to work for you in a particular situation. I'm going to grab Echo right now, and I'm going to drag this all the way to the beginning of the video for an introduction. I'm going to put it in front of the video. And you can see where it turned green there right in front of the video and it's still positive. I'm going to let go, and now it's going to ask me if I want to put a background in there. So I'm going to click this underwater one. And you can see by default it comes in at 4 seconds, so does the background. Now I'm going to change what it says here. I'm going to just type testing. I'm going to tab down and go Intro to Media Production, IMP. Now once I've done that, if I click on Show Fonts, I can mouse over the various fonts and you can see them change right in front of you in the upper window. I'm going to select Chalkboard for now, so I'm going to click on it. The font color is going to be the same thing. You just mouse over it and I'll show you what it looks like. I'm going to go back down to red here, I think. I'm going to click on that. And then when you mouse over the numbers here, these are the various sizes in ascending order. I'm descending right now. So the smaller the number, the smaller the font. I'm going to go up to about a 5 here and select that. And we also have options for bold font, italic, and outline, as well as some alignment choices here. I'm not going to click any of those right now. I'm going to hit Done. And when I have it the way I like it, I'm going to click Done here. And there I have my 4-second intro. Now I can change the duration of that by double clicking on it. And you can see it says 4 seconds here. I'm going to change it to, let's say, 8. So I'll double it up. I'll hit 8 and say Done. Now notice that it stretched the title now off of the background and onto my video. And that's fine in some cases, but maybe I want my background to be on there the same duration, so I'll double click the background and I'll change that duration to 8 as well. And hit Done. And now you can see it's doubled the duration of the background and the text. Now another option you have with any text here pretty much is you can grab it and drop it on a section of video here. So I'm going to add it right to a video. And that wasn't a very good looking choice, but we'll just go with it for the sake of example here. And it put it on here for the duration of this entire clip, 21 seconds. We'll be changing that here in a minute, but I'm just going to type up here. I'll do Miller Park, and I'll say 2011. And once again, I'll go to Show Fonts, and we can again choose our font. Mouse over them. I think I'll choose Chalkboard again. And I'll also mouse over the red, and I'll choose red font. And I'll go back to a size 5 like I did before. Once I've done that, I'll hit Done. And then I can click Done up here as well. Now that duration is pretty long to have that on the screen, so there's a couple things we can do here. One, I should be able to double click on this and change the duration just like I did with the intro. Maybe I only want it on there for 10 seconds. So I will hit Done. And there you can see it shorten it up. I still have plenty of video without the title on there. Those are the main methods and techniques we use to put text into our videos. And for this tutorial, that's about all we're going to cover. We'll catch you on the next one.